CSX AEC dispatcher, call Payne, over.
Signs.
C dispatcher, call Payne, over.
Hello, and welcome once again, amazingly. So in the last video, or whatever it was that I was doing, the earlier part of
This
this,
shot is pretty decent.
we are chasing a train from Corbin, Kentucky, back to Knoxville, and we waited for the train at a place called Rockholds, Kentucky. Yeah, anyway, we sat there and waited for the train for a long time, for the heat inspector coming north.
Yeah, but a 707 is okay because
If you're already north of Wofford, just shorten up my favor. I got a train maker. I got that. I'll give you a shout. Let's get back.
okay, he's good.
Rockholds, Kentucky has a Family Dollar, and it's amazing to me that Dollar General hasn't come in and, like Chick-fil-A, wiped out the one and only mom and pop business in town, that being the Family Dollar. We went there for some candy and some water. And here we sit. Clear up, food. So, it was in this town that I was the first person to use contactless payment. I have made history. What is this town called?
Rockholds, Kentucky.
Yep. This is why I was born.
And then they got approval, and then the dispatcher said, okay, well, I can take you down to Faber, but I didn't realize you guys were coming. How she didn't realize that, I don't know. So I just gave away the railroad to a track inspector. And I was stupid, but anyway, things are finally moving now, so.
Yes, it's 3:38. It's 91 degrees outside.
All right, love you back.
When you get home, you tell Alexa how I was the first person in this town
CSX AEC dispatcher, answer.
What's that?
to use wireless payment.
I-
This is train track, and we're here to get the train, a video of it. And I don't know if you can hear the horn right now, but there is a train coming. Pretty interesting.
That is an accurate assessment of the situation.
Yeah. If we ever get to see a space shuttle launch together, I will make sure that you get to see that. Yes, I have a coral color phone. Williamsburg, Kentucky. Where's the Busch Gardens here? I would open a plant, like nursery, called Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. you said, I'm not missing much.
Rex. That's kind of a cool old neon sign, though.
Mm-hmm.
I would zoom.
To like fly it into the tunnel?
Well, I'll leave that up to your discretion.
What do people think that they're going to accomplish with like the Jesus signs on the telephone poles?
I don't know.
I'm like, well, I did my job.
Yeah, I think that is pretty much what it is.
I thought it was 303, but it's 445. Okay, I've just got to say that this, to me, is really cool because it's one engine, and I don't care that it has a bunch of empty cars behind it, but when's the last time that you saw one engine pulling a train? It's just, it doesn't happen anymore. And this is a pretty good grade, too, so I know it's not a steam engine, and I know that it's not whatever blah 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 train you like, but I appreciated how interesting this was. I mean, you just don't see a single engine train operating in the mountains unless it's on a tourist railroad or some kind of a weird little 3-car train thing or something special. But this was an actual freight train being run from who knows where down to Florida, and it had just the one engine on it, and I thought that that was really cool. So I'll be a nerd for a second and admit that. And it's going past a culling tower, so yeah, it's so dumb. Why is this stuff what it is? Whatever. Anyway, it's one train. It's one engine on a train by itself. Would you rather pay a traffic ticket or burn coal? Because back in the day, people didn't drive cars around nearly as much, and they got to ride behind steam trains, and that was the payoff. So, burn coal, no traffic tickets. No middle ground, it's just one or the other. Your choice. Well, this video is pretty much done, so the next time we're going to learn about where the train went to next. And also, you'll see the world's biggest grocery store, and you will also see how to avoid paying traffic tickets if you run a red light camera in Farragut.